Hi there. If modeling timber frame walls in Revit is still taking you too much time, let me show you how you can change that by using hsbDesign for Revit in 90 seconds. I'm going to give you a clear view of this upper floor. I'll place a few elements to create a better overview. As you can see, there are standard Revit walls that pretty much anyone can draw in Revit. Next, I'll launch our Framing Style Editor tool, where you can build your own library. In this case, I've already prepared a few elements, so you can clearly see what they look like, which details are used, and also what types of connections are applied. Here you can see a nice example of a knee wall connection detail, and I'll immediately show you how we can frame or actually create these walls. I select all elements, click Finish, and right away you get a preview of how the walls will be generated. This usually takes a few seconds, and then you get a clear result. These are all individual objects that are still connected to the wall itself, but you can still easily move each stud using standard Revit tools. And that's it. A quick look at how it works. Are you interested after watching this video? Feel free to get in touch. Thanks for watching and see you next time.